Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Sensei, your go-to place to master logical reasoning. Let's jump into the next question of the JIPMAT 2021 question paper. As you can see, so if plus means division, minus means x, division means plus and x means minus, then what is 36 into 12 plus 4 divided by 6 plus 2 minus 3, right? To solve this, let's understand the given. Now, 36 into 12 plus 4 divided by 6 plus 2 minus 3. So in this equation, just substitute the symbols with the one given. Okay, now 36 into is nothing but minus. So minus 12 plus is nothing but division, which is divided by 4. Division has become plus. So plus 6. Now plus has become division, hence divided by 2, and minus has become multiplication into 3. So simply we just need to solve this equation. Okay, so since division and multiplication should be done first, let me write 36 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. So this is plus 9. Okay, now 36 minus 3 is 33. 33 plus 9 is 42. Hence your answer is D. Coming to the next question, which one word cannot be made from the word miraculous? Okay, locus, LOCUS, locus can be made. Molar, MOLAR, molar can also be made. Scar, SCAR, scar can be made. Sole, so SOLACE. Now we don't have E in miraculous, right? Hence D is the answer. Let's go into the next question. Okay, in this question, relationship between different elements is shown in the statement, and statements are followed by two conclusions. We need to determine if the conclusions are true or not. Okay, so what I have done is I have combined both the statements. Like there is one here and the second one is here, right? I have just combined it into one statement. Okay, now let's see the conclusion one. F more than E. E is here. E less than L less than V less than F. So clearly E is less than F. Hence conclusion 1 of F more than E will follow. Now let's go for conclusion 2. H more than R. H more than P less than E less than R. So we can't tell that H is more than R. We can't say this. Let me give you an example of why I'm saying so. Let H be 50, P can be 49, E can be 60, L is equal to R can be 70. Okay, according to these numbers, H is less than R, right? At the same time, I can also put different set of numbers. Let's say if H is 90 and the rest of the numbers remain the same, then H is more than R, right? So that's the reason why conclusion 2 is not true. Okay, hence answer is C, where only conclusion 1 is true. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.